buddy, how you learn to climb the stairs all by yourself. Yeah, you have to be careful. Jimmy strips on the DVD sometimes too. So we'd better take those off. Yes. Oh, good boy. Good boy. Go ahead. Get the rest of it now. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah, there you go. Now you be careful. Don't you fall. Don't you fall. Be careful there. Go ahead, you can figure it out. You be careful. You'll make it. You'll be okay. Yeah, you'll be okay. Come on. Oh, Angel, you got in the way, sweetie. Yeah, you gotta be careful. Jimmy can't watch everybody. He can't watch a little puppy and watch you at the same time. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Angel, get out of here. Come on. Good boy. Oh, good boy. Oh, good Mozart. He's good. Angel, good girl. Yes, you're showing Mozart how to do it. Yeah, come on, let's show Mozart how to walk up the stairs. You'll make it okay, little guy. You'll make it. Don't be frightened. Angel, come on, let's let him get down now. Good girl. Good boy. Come on. We'll be fine. Careful now. Let's be real careful. Angel, don't you block him now. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, good boy. Hooray! Hooray! Good boy! Hooray! Hooray!